Hey, this is Polly, and this is my video response to the third chapter of the Telltale Brain, Loud Colors and Hot Babes, Synesthesia. I thought this chapter was, well, maybe not exactly a return to form because it's technically an earlier chapter than the ones we've been reading, but I guess just maintaining the quality he had earlier compared to the chapters later. Because, I mean, this is just a lot more interesting. It deals with a really crazy phenomena, and the chapter seems to have a plot of its own, as well as all descriptive and creative writing. I especially liked how he had to design all these really inventive experiments in order to determine the veracity of his test subjects, like how he had people, or how he recorded one of the synesthetics, uh, or how he secretly recorded one of the synesthetics and then had test subjects later determine whether or not she was feeling certain emotions. And then with the face color synesthetic, he overlaid red and green dots on a person's face that was supposed to be red, and then he saw that the synesthetic could determine whether or not, he saw that the synesthetic could determine, or could see the green dots but not the red ones because the face is already red. Uh, the Coco BB, if that's correct, effect made a return, and I'm pretty happy about that because I wanted to see more of it. Another thing I want to see more of is his talk about creativity, because that's one of those brain functions that you never really think about, and it's just, well, very interesting. The metaphor and pun thing, where he talks about them being just very neurologically different, was I'm unintentionally hilarious, I guess, but also really fascinating. So yeah, I hope he'd go more into that, but he probably wouldn't. And that's all.